as far as when it comes to this latest video of that terror mastermind, when it comes to that radicalized suicide bomber, Dr. Umar is concerned. And when we try to get political reactions on this, instead of condemning as far as when it comes to such kind of statements are concerned, where martyrdom is believed to be everything for these bombers, here is a Congress neta who seems to be whitewashing the ecosystem, the very same ecosystem which should be coming out to openly condemn this terror mindset. He's now calling ahead as far as the Congress leader is concerned. We're going to play out this entire conversation that we had with him. He's calling Bomber Umar as a bhatka hua insan. Is this the Congress's bid to trivialize terror again? Listen in.
सर दिल्ली ब्लास्ट के बाद में अब जो एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो सामने आई है डॉक्टर उमर की, जिसमें वो जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं कि सुसाइड बॉम्बिंग असल में शहीदी के बराबर है, मार्टिडम के बराबर है। आपको ये वीडियो भी हम दिखाना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने ये बात जो है वो खुलकर सामने रखी है कि किस तरीके से ये इस्लाम में बताया जाता है।
ये ना तो कोई प्रीचर है कि ये इस्लामिक विद्वान है, ये भटका हुआ एक आदमी है जिसका इस्लाम से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। इस्लाम के अंदर सबसे पहले तो खुदकुशी हराम है, खुदकुशी किसी सूरत भी जायज नहीं है। मौत और जिंदगी अल्लाह के हाथ में है और अल्लाह की दी हुई चीज को आपको लेने का इख्तियार नहीं है। और दूसरे, आप इनोसेंट लोगों को मार रहे हो, अपने आप को मार रहे हो, साथ में इनोसेंट लोगों को मार रहे हो, तो आप तो कातिल हो। आपके लिए जन्नत का रास्ता खुलने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। आपके लिए जन्नत का रास्ता नहीं खुलेगा, आपके लिए जहन्नुम का ही रास्ता खुलना है ऐसे लोगों के लिए। और ऐसे भटके हुए लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए कि इनका इस्लाम से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ना इस्लाम से इनका कोई वास्ता मतलब है। ये भटके हुए नौजवान हैं।
Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, bhatke hue naujawan seems to be a very trivial issue as far as this Congress leader is concerned. Is there a problem when it comes to condemning and calling out a terrorist?
If we talk about Imran Masood in particular, he has condemned the statement which has been given by Dr. Umar as the video which we have got as in an exclusive clip of whatever he was saying about the manner in which he was justifying suicide bombing. That is basically being condemned by Imran Masood, and he has also made it very clear that this has nothing to do with Islam. He had also stated that the manner in which this statement has been given, it clearly shows that he is not a preacher of Islam. In fact, he has also, called him as a bhatka hua naujawan. He stated that the concept of suicide doesn't exist in Islam, and not just that, but in fact, he has also stated that Islam has never ever, supported terrorism, and whoever is trying to misguide the youth of this country by making such kind of statements.
Let's connect with Mr. Rashid Alvi as well of the Congress party. Mr. Rashid Alvi, as far as the suicide bomber identified, who killed over 14 people last week in Delhi, how would you identify him? As a terrorist or as a bhatka hua naujawan?
No, definitely he is terrorist and unforgivable, unforgettable. He has committed a sin. And definitely nobody can appreciate it. But at the same time, why these youngsters, highly educated youngsters, MD, MBBS, why they have been adopting such a dangerous life? What are the reasons? It is our government and particularly our Prime Minister. I request them with due respect to give thought about it. It has never happened in our country. We can't even think that any doctor, a qualified doctor, has turned a terrorist. Under what circumstances? Whether the situation of the country is like this? Whether who is responsible for this? Who has created this situation in the country, that educated persons are becoming terrorists?
But Mr. Rashid Alvi, if terrorists weren't qualified or educated enough, sir, then 9/11 wouldn't have happened. But when we speak of Umar Nabi, sir, as you're calling him as a highly educated medical practitioner, when your own leader, Mr. Imran Masood, calls him as a bhatka hua naujawan, sir, doesn't it trivialize the entire case, sir? 14 people losing their lives.
You should ask from him what is his opinion. But it is my considered opinion. We cannot, whether bhatka hua nahi hai, but he has committed a big sin, and it is punishable. And not only he, but all the doctors. It is not only he alone. There are so many doctors involved in it. So how can we say that they are bhatke away? They are not bhatke away. They have knowingly adopted this way. They have knowingly adopted and have turned to become terrorists. Definitely it is
So that means,
punishable,
Mr.
but
Alvi,
at
you are
one
not
time-
accepting, as far as when your own leader has been calling them as bhatke hue naujawan, you are rather accepting that these are not bhatke hue naujawan as far as a deliberate suicide bombing that was carried out. And of course, a bigger plot is concerned. Well, that is for the investigative agencies to probe. But thank you very much for that acknowledgement. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashid Alvi, for joining in. This is a Congress leader, Imran Masood, that we are speaking of. And in this way that he seems to be trivializing, not calling a Atangwadi straight up, saying that these are nothing but bhatke hue naujawan.
सर, दिल्ली ब्लास्ट के बाद में अब जो एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो सामने आई है डॉक्टर उमर की, जिसमें वो जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं कि सुसाइड बॉम्बिंग असल में शहीदी के बराबर है, मार्टिडम के बराबर है। आपको ये वीडियो भी हम दिखाना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने ये बात जो है वो खुलकर सामने रखी है कि किस तरीके से ये इस्लाम में बताया जाता है।
देखिए, ये ना तो कोई प्रीचर है कि ये इस्लामिक विद्वान है। ये भटका हुआ एक आदमी है जिसका इस्लाम से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। इस्लाम के अंदर सबसे पहले तो खुदकुशी हराम है। खुदकुशी किसी सूरत भी जायज नहीं है। मौत और जिंदगी अल्लाह के हाथ में है और अल्लाह की दी हुई चीज को आपको लेने का इख्तियार नहीं है। और दूसरे, आप इनोसेंट लोगों को मार रहे हो, अपने आप को मार रहे हो, साथ में इनोसेंट लोगों को मार रहे हो, तो आप तो कातिल हो। आपके लिए जन्नत का रास्ता खुलने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। आपके लिए जन्नत का रास्ता नहीं खुलेगा, आपके लिए जहन्नुम का ही रास्ता खुलना है ऐसे लोगों के लिए। और ऐसे भटके हुए लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए कि इनका इस्लाम से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ना इस्लाम से इनका कोई वास्ता मतलब है। ये भटके हुए नौजवान हैं।
Well, for the Congress leader, suicide bomber Umar Nabi is a bhatke hue naujawan. Well, remains to be seen exactly when it comes to if reactions would come in from the state government leaders as well, calling out as far as when it comes to this thinking of the ecosystem is concerned, which needs to be called out. With that, we head into a short break.